So now, we come to Photoshop itself. First, we need a photo to work on. Just click on Open, and look for the photo to use. So the first tool we will be using is the rectangular marquee tool. This is found on the sidebar under the Move tool. Now you can draw a rectangular area around one of the airplanes. Remember, this is not a shape, but it is just a means with which to select an area. After having selected the area where the airplane is, then we can copy it, Ctrl+C, and then paste it, Ctrl+V, back onto the image. Take a look at the Layers panel on the right side area. Now it shows two layers. One is the background layer, with the original picture, and the other contains the new copied image of the airplane. If you do not see the Layers panel, go to Window, from the top menu bar, and then choose Layers from there.